Hey everyone, want a simple way to track your expenses and stay on top of your budget? Excel makes it easy to record and analyze spending. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to build an expense tracker from scratch. So, let's dive in. First, set up your headers, include columns like date, category, description, payment method, and amount. This gives you a structured table for all your expense records. Next, add a few sample entries. For example, today's date, groceries as the category, a short description, payment method, and amount. This helps you test your tracker before adding real data. Now, format your data as a table. Select your range, go to Home Arrow Format as Table, and pick a style. Tables make filtering, sorting, and automatically adding new expenses much easier. To calculate total expenses, use the sum function on the amount column. Just type equals sum and select the column, then press enter. Now you have a running total of all your spending. For a detailed view, create a pivot table. Go to Insert, then Pivot Table, select your table, and drag category to rows and amount to values. Now you can see total spending per category, which helps identify where most of your money goes. Add a chart for a visual overview. Select your pivot table, go to Insert Arrow Chart, and choose a pie or column chart. This makes it easier to spot trends and high spending categories at a glance. Finally, save your expense tracker and update it regularly. Go to File Arrow Save as Arrow Excel Workbook. Adding expenses consistently ensures your budget stays accurate and helpful. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily track and analyze your expenses in Excel. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.